Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you another VR. I am trying to use up my stash, so I figured the only way, or one of the ways that will help me use up my stash and tone down my overwhelming stash is to do projects and participate in challenges so that I use the product, send it off. It's not something I'm just using and keeping here. So yeah, so today is this is for KS Designs. She's here on YouTube. I am going to leave her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go check her out. She is having her second annual birthday challenge. Happy birthday, girl. And I think her name is Kelly. She's changed her, I don't know if it was Instagram or YouTube. It might have been both, but she just recently changed it, so that's why it's now KS-Designs. But like I said, her link will be in my description box below so you can go check her out. She is hosting this challenge. It does end at the end of March 25th, so you do have time. She's going to be announcing the winners on the 31st. But needless to say, you do have time to get this out. She is only asking for a handmade blank birthday card. They are trying to collect 100 of them to share at her local nursing home that they're going to donate these cards to. How wonderful is that? So hopefully you guys can participate and just, like I said, one blank birthday card. She's just asking for a selfless birthday present. And so I am sending her that one card, but as you know, if you're a follower on my channel, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing to join me on this crafty journey. So I am a card maker, and so I do have a lot of cards. I try to send people cards. Every chance I get, I try to use cards, but I still end up with lots of cards, and I have no problem donating. So I will be sending these to her as well. So yeah, I just wanted to share this, and hopefully you guys find it in your heart to participate in her birthday challenge, and as she'll be donating these cards to a nursing home, so it's for really a good cause. So I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here, and until my next video, shakas.